What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite plant-based cook, and today I bring to you my vegan cheese. Now, this video has been requested by a lot of my followers on Instagram, and here it is. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the ingredients that you're going to need are going to be some potatoes, organic fresh loose carrots, and some organic sweet potatoes. And the other condiments that you're going to need: cashews, and if you are allergic to nuts by any means, then you can just eliminate the cashews and just get everything else. The next will be the nutritional yeast, and I'm spilling it everywhere, goddamn. Salt, turmeric, water, white vinegar, organic, paprika, lemon juice, and garlic powder. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is peel our potatoes. And that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, if you wanna leave the skin on here, you probably could. I never done it. But if someone do it, definitely let me know. How did that turn out? Getting it all ready to be turned into cheese. Getting it ready for the cheese. Now you want these nice. About a cup after you cut it. Yeah. Cut these up. You can do that if you want to. It doesn't really matter how you cut them. Because at the end of the day, they all gonna get blended up. And then after you get all these cut up, you're gonna put this in a cup of water and boil it for 5 minutes. And one of the main reasons why I even started cooking vegan is because of my daughter. She has eczema, so a lot of things that's like conventional, that's not organic, she tends to break out to it. So had to find an alternative. But also, this is much healthier anyway. It's a little bit expensive, you know. It's crazy that it costs to be healthy, but hey, if you got the money for it, I highly recommend you eat this way. Let's get to the next part where we put this into the pot and wait for 5 minutes. So now we put this into the pan with water. Shake all that and just put a top on it. And like I said, wait 5 minutes and then come back. Okay, so the 5 minutes is up. Now it's time to blend all the ingredients together and see the final product. Alrighty. So what we have here is the melody that I told y'all with the potatoes, carrots. Double that up. Oh man. know y'all looking like, bruh, ain't no way this is about to turn to cheese. There's no way. Just wait though. It's like magic. So, here we go. Let's go ahead and start putting our ingredients in. Cashews. Nutritional yeast is the reason it tastes like cheese. The cashew just gives it the creamy feel. So that was just the cashews and nutritional yeast. Turmeric, which is gonna give it that yellow cheese look. Garlic powder, paprika, salt, lemon juice, water, and white vinegar. And that is it, folks. Now it's time to blend. All right, let's go ahead and blend her up. Oh, look at that. And the only downside with not having a high-speed blender is you have to keep moving it around and stuff. But look at that. Don't that bottom look like cheese? I'm gonna have to dig in here and get all the other stuff because it's not blended. Stuff like this ends up occurring. But that's alright. You just dig in there a little. It's alright. Ain't no biggie. And give that like a few pulses. And voila. Show y'all what it looks like on the inside. Look at that. Cheese. Vegan cheese. And that's how I made the vegan cheese from scratch. You see, all the ingredients was really simple, and I know a lot of y'all are still scratching your head like, bruh, yeah, it's possible. You hear me? You see me make it. It's possible. But nah, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Even if you didn't like it, you can give it a thumbs down. I won't be butthurt. It'll just let me know I need to improve on something. So you can let me know in the comments below what I can do to improve. If you like the video, you can say that too. I hope you love it. I hope you try the recipe, and if you do try the recipe, share it with me. And the way you can do that is by hashtagging your plant-based cook on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the comments below. I mean, not in the comments, in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. I'm out.